really extreme winds over here. Our trampoline's already over there now. Oh my god. The fence is broken. I can get a view from right here. Ooh, hold on. One of the animals is out.
What?
One of Emily's animals is out there.
Oh yeah.
Is the ladder bent? Did it literally just bend the ladder? I know that it tipped it over.
Oh my god, I'm scared about the boat.
The boat's probably gonna be okay. Look at the air horn. Oh, the gutter's going crazy. This is a view from my HO skill training room. Oh my god. The ball got flew into the pool and now it's like riding like a boat. The pool noodles are together. I can barely even see my neighbor's house over there. It's so windy, it knocked over that plant. You can barely see it, but lightning. Oh my god, it also knocked over that plant too. It's thundering a lot. This is a good view to get most of it. Well, the boat's still there. Hopefully it's safe. Lightning. Yeah, now the rain's like blowing. Oh, is that one? That's a nice Mustang. Yeah. But this storm is pretty crazy. Some loud thunder. This is a better view of it. But look at all that damage. Did it literally just open the grill? There's a propane tank in there. And it's loaded, like, whoa. Oh my god, listen to that.
It blew something in the pond. What is that? What is that? It's something from our yard.
See that in the pond? No? Over there, by Emily's fence, the closest part to Emily's fence, see? See, it's like... The cat made another noise we never heard before. Probably because of the thunder. Alright, just to show you guys one thing, the trampoline was right there, and it got blown all the way over there. More thunder's coming. It also knocked over our basketball hoop, which is over there. I can't believe the animals don't care. And that bent the ladder for sure. It's either just twisting it or the ladder got bent.
From the great Atlantic Ocean to the wide Pacific shore, she climbs the flowery mountains